Hello guys. Welcome to our channel, McCourt Engineering Information. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video is gonna be about web development, so let's get right into the video. If you don't subscribe to our channel, please subscribe and share the past videos and new upcoming videos. Let's start. Web development, also known as website development, refers to the tasks associated with creating, building, and maintaining websites and web applications that run online on a browser. It may, however, also include web design, web programming, and database management. Web development is closely related to the job of designing the features and functionality of apps. Web design. The term development is usually reserved for the actual construction of these things, that is to say, the programming of sites. The basic tools involved in web development are programming languages called HTML, hypertext markup language, CSS, cascading style sheets, and JavaScript. There are, however, a number of other programs used to manage or facilitate the construction of sites that would otherwise have to be done from scratch by writing code. A number of content management systems (CMS) fall into this category, including WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, TYPO3, and Adobe Experience Manager, among others. What exactly is web development? Web development is closely related to the job of designing the features and functionality of websites and apps, often called web design, but the web development term is usually reserved for the actual construction and programming of websites and apps. Think of all the web pages you have used over the years. Web developers built those sites, making sure they functioned properly and performed in ways that allowed for a great user experience. Web developers do this by writing lines of code, using a variety of programming languages. What are the most common programming languages? The most common programming languages involved in web development are HTML, hypertext markup language, CSS, cascading style sheets, JavaScript. Types of web development. There are three main types of web development: front-end development, back-end development, and full-stack development. What is front-end development? Front-end development involves the client-facing side of web development. That is to say, usually, front-end web development refers to the portion of the site, app, or digital product that users will see and interact with. A front-end developer, therefore, is responsible for the way a digital product looks and feels, which is why they are often also referred to as web designers. Front-end web developers focus on translating website design and visual ideas into code. A front-end software developer takes the design ideas created by others on web development teams and programs them into reality, acting as a bridge between design and technology. Front-end developers will usually need to possess a solid understanding of programming languages, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, as well as frameworks like React, Bootstrap, Backbone, AngularJS, and Ember. Responsibilities of a front-end developer would include creating responsive websites that look and function well on any device, conducting website testing and fixing any bugs detected along the web development process, and ensuring site structure follows SEO best practices. What is back-end development? If front-end developers are responsible for how a digital product looks, back-end developers are focused on how it works. A back-end developer creates the basic framework of a website before maintaining it and ensuring it performs the way it should, including database interactions, user authentication, server, network and hosting configuration, and business logic. Working behind the scenes, or server-side, back-end developers are concerned with the systems and structures that allow computer applications to perform as desired. The primary responsibility of back-end developers is to ensure the functionality of the site, including its responsiveness and speed. To do that, back-end developers have to know how to build servers with modern frameworks while developing custom APIs and serving static websites and files, and how to manage databases and data on a web server. Typically, back-end developers use server-side programming languages, including PHP, Ruby, and Python, as well as tools including MySQL, Oracle, and Git. What is a full-stack developer? A full-stack developer is someone familiar with both front and back-end development. Full-stack developers usually understand a wide variety of programming languages, and because of their versatility, they might be given more of a leadership role on projects than developers who specialize They are generalists, adept at wearing both hats, and familiar with every layer of development. Obviously, employers want to hire full-stack developers. According to an Indeed study, they are the fourth most in-demand job in tech. While that perception persists, there still is an increasing number of tech professionals who consider themselves full-stack developers. According to a recent Stack Overflow survey of developers, 48.2% consider themselves full-stack developers. What's unclear is whether developers are now expected to possess a broader skill set, or if developers are taking it upon themselves to understand functions at both the front end and back end. Either way, it's becoming increasingly important for aspiring developers to have a foundation in both.